Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you are doing great. Today we are again here with another historical video about Ottoman's third emperor Sultan Murad I. Sultan Murad I, also known as Murad Hudavendigar, was the third emperor of the Ottoman Empire and the son of the second emperor, Orhan Gazi. He was born in 1326 in Bursa, Turkey, and his early life was spent learning the art of warfare and statesmanship under the tutelage of his father. When Murad I ascended to the Ottoman throne in 1362, the empire was facing significant challenges both internally and externally. The Byzantine Empire, the Serbian Kingdom, and various other small states in the Balkans posed a constant threat to Ottoman territory. In addition, there were numerous rebellions by local rulers and religious factions that Murad had to quell. One of the earliest challenges that Murad faced was a rebellion by his own brother, Yaqub Celebi, who sought to overthrow him and claim the throne. Murad was able to quash the rebellion and had Yaqub executed, thus solidifying his hold on the throne. Sultan Murad I faced a significant challenge early in his reign when his younger brother Yaqub Celebi rebelled against him. Yaqub had the support of some of the powerful lords and tribal chiefs, and he aimed to overthrow Murad and seize the throne for himself. To tackle the rebellion, Sultan Murad I took decisive action. He assembled his loyal troops and marched against Yaqub, who had fortified himself in the city of Bursa. After a siege that lasted several months, Murad's forces were able to breach the city walls and capture Yaqub. Murad could have had Yaqub executed immediately, but he chose to show mercy and exiled him instead. Yaqub was sent to a distant province of the empire where he could do no harm to Murad's rule. Sultan Murad's decision to spare his brother's life was an important demonstration of his wisdom and strength as a ruler. It showed that he was not only able to defeat his enemies on the battlefield but also had the capacity for mercy and forgiveness. Furthermore, Murad's decisive action in quelling the rebellion sent a strong message to other potential challengers to his rule. They knew that he was not to be trifled with and that any attempt to seize power would be met with swift and decisive action. Overall, Sultan Murad I's handling of the rebellion by his brother Yaqub Celebi was a testament to his strategic vision and leadership skills. His actions helped solidify his hold on the Ottoman throne and set the stage for his successful reign. Another significant event during Murad's reign was the Battle of Kosovo in 1389. The Serbian kingdom, led by Prince Lazar, formed a coalition with various other Balkan states to try and halt Ottoman expansion into the region. Murad led the Ottoman army into battle and was killed, but his forces emerged victorious. During his reign, Murad implemented a number of reforms that helped strengthen the Ottoman Empire. He reorganized the military and created the Janissary Corps, an elite group of soldiers who were loyal only to the Sultan. He also improved the empire's infrastructure by building roads, bridges, and other public works. Murad was also known for his piety and was considered a Sufi saint by many. He encouraged the spread of Islam and built numerous mosques and other religious institutions throughout the empire. Overall, Sultan Murad I's reign was marked by significant challenges, both external and internal, but he was able to consolidate Ottoman power and set the stage for the empire's continued expansion and growth. Sultan Murad I had several wives during his reign, although the exact number is not known. The most prominent of his wives was Gulchachek Hatun, who was the mother of his successor, Bayezid I. Murad I also had a daughter named Fatma Hatun. As for his siblings, Murad I had several brothers, including Yaqub Celebi, who rebelled against him early in his reign and was later exiled. Another brother, Suleiman Celebi, also challenged Murad's rule and led a rebellion against him later in his reign. Suleiman's rebellion was unsuccessful, and he was later captured and executed by Bayezid I after he became sultan. Murad I also had several sisters, although their names and lives are not well documented. In terms of his succession, Sultan Murad I was succeeded by his son Bayezid I, who became the fourth emperor of the Ottoman Empire. Bayezid I was a successful ruler in his own right and continued the expansion and consolidation of Ottoman power that had begun under his father's reign. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you for watching.